Hi, I'm Gina, your sales representative here at Amherst Village Townhomes by Ryan Homes, the only new townhomes in Adams Township. I'm excited to welcome you to a community where timeless charm meets unmatched convenience. Amherst Village Townhomes is a thoughtfully designed community where every detail is built with your lifestyle in mind. From the moment you arrive, you'll feel the difference. These homes boast eye-catching farmhouse-style exteriors with hardy plank siding, bronze exterior windows, and concrete driveways, combining lasting quality with beautiful curb appeal. Townhome living no longer means you'll lack privacy. Our townhomes have huge private backyards, and we even allow fencing for additional privacy for your kids or pets. And when it comes to location, Amherst Village is simply unbeatable. Nestled in a peaceful wooded setting just minutes from I-79, you'll have lightning-fast access to Cranberry, Wexford, and downtown Pittsburgh. So whether you're commuting to work, heading out for a weekend adventure, or just running errands, everything you need is at your fingertips. Imagine living in a serene neighborhood, yet never feeling far from the excitement of the city or the charm of a nearby town. You're just minutes away from some of Mars's most loved restaurants, like Springfield Grill, Breakneck Tavern, and Farmhouse Cafe. You'll love the small town feel of downtown Mars. Life here is all about convenience, comfort, and connection. Say goodbye to summer and winter chores like grass cutting and snow removal. These are taken care of for you here at Amherst Village Townhomes, leaving you more time for the things you love. Take a stroll on our walking trail, which leads to the beautiful community pool and clubhouse. Families will love being a part of the top-rated Mars Area School District, a huge benefit for growing households and a smart investment in your child's future. Our Wexford floor plan is a Pittsburgh favorite. Step inside and prepare to be impressed. The main level offers a bright, open concept layout that's ideal for entertaining or relaxing. The kitchen is a true showpiece, complete with a large island, sleek finishes, and plenty of space for creating meals and memories. The 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, basement, and 2-car garage all allow space for your growing family or lifestyle. At Amherst Village Townhomes, you're not just buying a house. You're joining a warm, welcoming community that truly feels like home. I'd love to help you find the perfect townhome that fits your lifestyle. Schedule your appointment today to find out why so many people are falling in love with life at Amherst Village Townhomes.